the final room. First you have to solve this puzzle. It's like that game where, I forgot what it's called, but it's like a machine and then it had colors and you have to remember the pattern. You know, like blue, green, red, blue, orange, something, something. That game, I already finished all 3 rounds. The 3rd round is really challenging, but my biggest suggestion for you is to simply have a piece of paper, just do the first initials, all that. I can't show you any cutscenes, sad. Let's see how much life points, health points it has. No, I went to the server. No, no, yes. That ruined my whole freaking video. And my video was awesome. I mean, you just have to ruin it, didn't you, huh? You little punk ass serverless button. Yay, joining the void again, doing unnecessary things again, because it's all my fault. I'm still a ninja, killing some time of empty boredomness with a song that won't last long. But now I have to do the puzzle again. Really annoying. Orange, blue, blue, green. Orange, blue, blue, green. If you want to make a song out of this game. Orange, blue, blue, orange, blue, orange, orange, blue, blue, orange, blue, orange, blue, orange, blue, red, orange, green, red, orange, 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 blue, red, orange, green, red, orange, orange, and enter. Oh, there's no one here. Now this time, let's do this properly. Toggle full screen. Click dragon. Oh shoot, I'm attacking it. 88,000 HP. Oh shoot, I'm attacking and he does 200 damage. Run. Run. I'm not running. No, no. No, that's it. That's it. I'm not even dodging. What the frig? Almost died. And since no one's here, I'm gonna cut it here. But you just have to defeat it. And then this amazing, awesome cutscene happens. Thank you. Bye-bye.